Guys, are you tired of getting disqualified on surveys? Are you tired of not being paid for a whole survey that you spent 30 minutes doing, all to get a message saying, hey, you don't qualify? But don't worry guys, your boy here got a solution for you guys. So stay tuned, I'll see you right after the intro. Let's go. Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing because we're almost there to 400 subs. Really exciting stuff, guys. Also guys, thank you so very much for the recent support. It's been amazing, guys. We're on our way to 400 already, and that's just crazy, guys. So anyways, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Now let's get straight into today's video. Let's go. Alright guys, so you may or may not have heard of this app called BigToken. Now, link is in the description for you guys. As always, if you guys don't already know what this is, it's basically a survey app. I know that you guys heard that this is a survey app, but don't worry guys, this is not like any of the other survey sites or apps whatsoever. And guys, the difference between this app compared to the other websites is that you guys can't actually get disqualified whatsoever. You're probably wondering, did I hear that right? Yes, you did, guys. That is right. That is correct. You cannot get disqualified with this app right here. Let's get right into it. So basically guys, as you guys can see right here, I have a balance of 1688 and it's very simple to gain points. All you have to do is answer yes or no questions, click continue, and there we go. As you guys can see, 3 more points have been added, which actually increases our account value by a lot. You'll be paid anywhere between 3 to 5 cents per question. And it's very simple to answer each question. It will take you guys literally like under 5 seconds, as you guys can see right there. And each time you do it, your balance will be increased. As you guys can see right there, we got an extra 4 cents, I believe. And we're just going to keep doing that. Also guys, another cool thing to point out is they actually update these questions very oftenly. So you guys aren't, you know, going to run out of questions anytime soon. There's a whole bunch. And as you guys can see, just by recording this video, like, I don't know, I've been here for less than 3 minutes so far, but we've answered a few questions and our balance is already at $17.20. Also guys, you do have to hit a minimum of $17 to cash out. Now here's the catch guys, it is a little bit too good to be true, sadly, but it's still good nevertheless guys. So the catch is you can only redeem 25% of your account balance each time. So that means if you make 20 bucks, you'll be receiving $5 PayPal. But don't worry, your account balance still stays the same afterwards. It will just subtract $5 and you're back at, you know, 15, then you can continue earning from there. So after your first cash out, it should be pretty easy to stack up more points because, well, they didn't actually take out all of your balance, if you know what I'm saying. Now here's the other thing guys, is after your first redemption, you're going to actually have to wait 30 days until you can make another redemption. So cash out when you guys actually want to. I'm just testing it out so I can show you guys. So after 30 days from your previous cash out, you will be able to cash out once again. And yeah guys, that is BigToken for you. It's very simple, easy questions, yes or no, no disqualifications, simple, easy, get that cash boys. So yeah guys, that is how you can get easy surveys, no disqualifications guys. Link is in the description as always for the BigToken app. And yeah guys, go ahead, check it out, get some money today. Obviously, why not, right? And yeah guys, I'm gonna hop on out of here. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Peace out for now.